Definitely brush up on the algorithms class. I mean, again, this is pertaining to computer science.
Yeah.
So definitely brush up on the algorithms class that we did in our undergrad, because it wasn't all waste. It was actually very helpful to build on to this core subject that we do learn in UF. So you are required to do 30 credits. So 30 credits would eventually mean 10 courses. Out of these 10 courses, 4 are the core courses that you should complete in order to graduate. Out of these 4, 2, you don't have option for these 2 courses. You have to do analysis of algorithm, and you have to do programming language principles. So these 2 are mandatory core courses for computer science students. Definitely take advanced data structure because it's an easy A if you do put an effort. Also, there's this course called elective core course called distributed operating system. One good thing about UF is that they are very project, like the courses are very inclined towards project, except for analysis of algorithm. Um, Everything else has a project. Getting 4 out of 4 wasn't my end goal at the end of the day. Um, it was mainly just to do my best as much as I could and not stress. But still, I would say I did decent enough. Average right now is 3.59, which is all right for me because no one asks you how well you did in a class. In an interview, they'll ask you, what did you learn in a class? So 9 hours of classes definitely every week. I initially was working 15 hours during my first year at the Career Resource Center. So my 15 hours were dedicated working part-time. And this year I'm working as a graduate assistant. So it is a little more stressful than expected because it's 20 hours a week.